Hong Kong is a cosmopolitan city. The total area is 1,104 square kilometers and the population is 7.5 million. Hong Kong has a small area and many people like to go to the suburbs to breathe fresh air, and Shark Island is a good choice. Situated in the Sai Kung Inland Sea, Shark Island is 2,500 meters in length and 500 meters wide. The highest point is 136 meters above sea level. Surrounded by islands and reefs, it has natural sources and beaches. It is only about 2 kilometers away from Sai Kung City and only 15 minutes by boat from the pier. It is the most convenient geopark scenic spot. There's a beautiful beach on each end of the island, Killjoy Beach and Hap Mun Bay Beach, with clear water and stunning scenery. The island's geological valleys are rich and varied. The most special is the natural island-connected sandbar that only emerges from the sea at low tide. Visitors can walk on the sandbar to the small hill at the other end and climb to the highest point with a panoramic view of the Sai Kung Inland Sea and Clear Water Bay Peninsula. We are so tiny, but we have so many.